Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie, and in this video I'm going to be taking you back to the Premiere basics, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. I know most of you know how to do this, but I know someone out there doesn't. So if this video actually helps you out, consider hitting that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my new uploads. Right, now we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you 3 ways to create a timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. The first one is by just clicking Command N, and that's Control N if you're on PC, and then this window is going to pop up. This is where most people get confused and actually turn the whole thing off. But all you need to do if you don't know what settings to select is choose any random preset over here and press OK. And that's going to create a sequence for you down here. And now what you want to do is drag any of your clips into the timeline. And this pop-up is gonna come up, right? And it's gonna say this clip does not match the sequence settings. And now all you need to do is click change sequence settings, and Adobe Premiere Pro is gonna change the sequence settings for you to the exact settings of that clip you put in the timeline, right? That's the first way to create a sequence. Now, a quick way to create your sequence without having to go through all that trouble is by just coming to your project panel, right-clicking on any of your footage and clicking new sequence from clip, right? This is going to create a sequence for you with all the settings that video clip has, right? Plus, it's going to put the clip for you in the timeline. That's the second way to do it. A third way to do it, and the way I normally do it, is by just dragging any of your clip and dropping it down here to the new item button. All you need to do is click and hold and release it once it's down here to this new item button. And that's going to create a new sequence for you with the same exact settings of that video. And once your sequence is created, you can see it right here in your project panel, right? This is your sequence. And if you want to adjust the settings, all you need to do is right click, and you're going to have to come here to sequence settings. And now you can tweak and change any settings that you need for your sequence, right? And once you're done changing anything, you can just press OK, and it will apply all those settings. And that's basically it. I really hope this video helps you out, and if it did, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any video requests or questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.